This document is one of the most important documents in your life right now. Our Human Rights Act is a check on the power that our police force, NHS, councils and all public authorities have over us. And this law protects you whether you're a British citizen, a visitor, a child or an adult. At the end of the Second World War, countries from across Europe came together to create the European Convention of Human Rights. It created a set of rules for how European governments, including our governments here in the UK, could treat us, and the court system to be used as a last resort for when our human rights aren't respected. Then in 1998, our Human Rights Act was passed by Parliament to ensure that our 16 fundamental human rights are protected by law. The Human Rights Act itself works in three main ways. First, whenever public officials make decisions, they must respect and protect our human rights. For Rita and Harry, this meant that social workers supporting them to see their mum when she was unwell and had to stay in hospital, respecting their right to a family life. Second, when applying old laws or planning new ones, our human rights must be considered. This meant a council providing Sarah with school transport, because even though she didn't quite live the 3 miles away required by the rules, to have applied this would not have respected her right to a private life, which protects her well-being. And third, when our human rights aren't respected, any one of us can now ask a UK court or tribunal to look at our case, so we can get justice and accountability here at home. When judges were making a decision about Paul's life, our Human Rights Act empowered him to have a say and to get safe housing away from the area where he had been abused. Our Human Rights Act gives us all a voice. It's a safety net that makes sure public officials treat people properly. It doesn't matter how old we are, who we are, where we're from, or what we do. If we're human, and here, the Human Rights Act protects us all.